A Microsoft study found that the average Excel user knows only 5% of available features. These 5 tricks are in the other 95%. Type one example of the transformation you want, press Ctrl+E, and Excel figures out the pattern. It works for splitting names, reformatting dates, extracting text, anything with a pattern. Select any data range and press Ctrl+Q to open the Quick Analysis menu. It offers one-click formatting, charts, totals, tables, and spark lines, the fastest path from data to insight. Custom views let you save different column widths, hidden rows, filter settings, and print areas under named views. Switch between Report View and Editing View with 2 clicks. I demonstrate all 5 tricks on a real dataset, showing the before and after for each one. The time savings are visible. Tasks that took minutes now take seconds. Which trick was new to you? Comment below and subscribe for more Excel tricks that save you hours every week.